और वही लद्दाख के लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर रिटायर्ड ब्रिगेडियर बीडी मिश्रा ने फिर साफ कर दिया है कि लद्दाख के इलाके में चीन ने 1 इंच भी जमीन पर कब्जा नहीं किया है। उन्होंने कहा कि जदीद तरीन टेक्नोलॉजी का सामान LAC पर तैनात किया जाएगा। वो जम्मू में नॉर्थ टेक सिंपोजियम में शिरकत के मौके पर मीडिया से बात कर रहे थे।
With any design to have a foothold here, and I think all this credit goes to our great leader Shri Narendra Modi.
So do you think all these new technologies that will be incorporated along the line of actual control?
That is the aim. It is being done for that. It is being done for that. Let me tell you, when I got my commission 1961, when I joined my battalion, in my battalion that time there was nothing indigenous. Our rifles were 303 made in Buckingham small arms. Our vehicles were Dodge, Ford and all that. Even the watch which I got, that was made in Switzerland. There was nothing which was indigenous. And today, there is nothing which is foreign.
Sir, recently Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, visited Ladakh and he claimed that a large portion of land of Ladakh has been occupied by China.
I wouldn't comment on anybody's statement, but I will say what is fact, because I have seen myself. There's not even 1 square inch of land which Chinese have occupied, and all our troops, whatsoever might have happened in 1962, that's immaterial after that. But today, we are in occupation of our land to the last inch.
So what do you have to say to these leaders who are portraying a very gloomy picture? They are not buying the argument what has been given by the armed forces and acting as spokesperson for China.
I wouldn't say anything about that, but I will make a statement of fact. The statement of fact is that our armed forces, they are prepared for any eventuality, and God forbid, if the balloon goes up, people will get bloody nose.
और फिलहाल एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं। ब्रेक के बाद खबरों का सिलसिला जारी रहेगा।